It's your girl Sin, and I'm back with another video. So if you want to see what I'm doing today, stay tuned.
TshirtChick.
Alright squad, today your girl is going to be unboxing something. Now this box right here, I've been waiting for this box for almost 2 months. And you know, I don't even know. I'm about to open it up and let you guys see what's inside of it. Alright, I'm not going to show, actually let me just peel this part off because I'm not going to show where it's from. I actually was, let me see, don't matter which way you open it. I actually was trying to do something, but I might have missed my opportunity because I was waiting for this thing for a long time. So hopefully I can still do everything. But alright, so right here, okay, right here, I'm gonna let you guys see what it is. It is actually individually packed. It's got 2 in here. I'm gonna just open up. Okay, this is regular. What is this? Regular. Okay, I'm gonna open this up right here and let you guys check it out, because these are the great ones. That'll probably be for me, but I'm gonna just take one out and let you guys check it out. Alright, so right here, as you see, this is a mask right here. As you see, these are some masks that I'm going to be sublimating on. So hopefully everything can work out with those and you'll be seeing them in a future video. But I don't know. This kind of wasn't what I was expecting. I don't know, but we gonna see. I'm gonna try to work with it, and yeah, I don't know, y'all. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna try to work with it and try to see, you know, if it's gonna do what I needed to do. But I don't know, they just look kind of small and stuff. So well, I guess the straps on it are very comfortable, but we're gonna see. So I will be sublimating onto these and you know, let you guys see how everything turns out with them. But yeah, they look a little different than I was expecting them to look. They really do look small, but the way they're made, you stretch them out and they do fit fully. So yeah, so they seem like they're gonna be good. They seem like they're gonna work. And hopefully y'all can hear me. But they seem like they're gonna work. But we're gonna do some sublimation on them in another video. I just wanted to kind of let you guys check this out, and we're gonna see. I was trying to. I ordered them a while back, and I was actually trying to promote this person so that I can help them to make some more money. And also, you know, I know a lot of y'all masks. When I first saw these masks, they were out of stock everywhere. So I was hoping to, you know, be able to do something, help somebody else make some money. But yeah, so we got right here, we got blue ones and I think gray ones is all we have. Blue and gray. Yeah, so all of them are gonna be blue and gray. And they are, I do like the fact that they are individually wrapped and labeled like this, as y'all see. I don't know if y'all can see all of that, but they are individually wrapped and labeled of how many is in each pack. Okay, and then you got different sizes right here. These are large. These are large. Okay, and this is, okay, these are extra ones right here. So yeah, these are ones I should open, y'all. I didn't see this on here. 2 extra test prints. Yeah, so I'll be working with these and I'll let y'all know how everything comes out with them. Yeah, but that's all I want to do is just unbox these in this video. And once I get a chance, I will come back and print something on them, let you guys check them out. But I appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, you can follow your girl at TshirtChick TV, and you can also work out with me every morning. We do live workouts at Get Fit with Sin. So check me out here on YouTube, and I will see you in another video. Print Squad out.